Okay, next up, State Representative Roland Lamar will be making the presentation of the plaque to Andrew Dick from Electrify America.
Thank you. Thank you, Paul. I want to invite Representative Yacarino and Senator Ciccarella up as well. Make it a good bipartisan award for your effort. And I want to thank everyone involved with this and evidencing the commitment that we all have as a state, having a deputy commissioner come out, having the Senate president come out, having the Commissioner Energy and Environmental Protection come out. We passionately believe that this is the right direction for our state. I know you guys across the country are doing the hard work of getting these in across every community that you can. I can't wait to the day that I see them in downtown New Haven, downtown Hartford, downtown Bridgeport, downtown Waterbury, and I know they're working on creating the models to get us into those locations as well. And so I want to thank you for your commitment. My colleagues in the legislature are proud to have you as a partner in Connecticut, so I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
You want to complete the picture? Yeah. Here, hold it with me. There you go.
There we go.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I have brief remarks as well. So thank you so much first to Paul and Heather for putting this event together and to their tireless work in supporting clean transportation in the state. I also really want to thank Chair Gillette. We've been working for a long time on the grid mod docket, addressing demand charges, which are a very unsexy issue, but are a very, very important issue to this industry. So we really do thank you for your leadership. We have made great progress on that front, and it is necessary for an electric future in the state of Connecticut. I also want to really give credit to DEEP and to Commissioner Dykes, but also to the folks at the staff level. I was working with DEEP staff back in 2009, before these vehicles even existed, and they were working tirelessly even back then to make the electric future a reality. And thanks to Senator Looney. And I wanted to point out something that the senator said. He was talking about needing a technological breakthrough, getting to the point that these vehicles are super fast, super convenient. I want to point out that these two chargers behind me are 350 kilowatt chargers. They are 7 times faster than the previous state of the art, and these vehicles are capable of refueling a compatible vehicle at up to 20 miles of range per minute. So we are reaching that point where we are approaching gasoline refueling speeds. The cars are getting faster, they're getting longer range every year, and we look forward to being a strong partner to the state of Connecticut as we work together on our clean energy and climate goals. Thank you so much.